light on a quiet stove, little hum where the warm winds glow. Eventide, soft footsteps slow, a melody starts to grow. Clink of spoons, a gentle beat, sugar, spice, and something sweet. Every dish a lullaby, floating up into the sky. Stir it slow, don't rush the flame, cooking love in every name. Close your eyes, let worries fly, taste the joy, a lullaby. Simmer dreams in pots of gold, stories in the meals we hold. Every bite will softly say, everything will be okay. But it melts like a sunny day, dancing scents that drift away. Tiny lights in the air stay as worries fade to gray. Chopping loose a rhythm to leave your heavy thoughts behind. Every thriver sings so true, a little peace just for you. Stir it slow, don't rush the flame, cooking love in every name. Close your eyes, let worries fly, taste the joy, a lullaby. Simmer dreams in pots of gold, stories in the meals we hold. Every bite will softly say, everything will be okay. Hush now, hear the kettle sigh, steam like clouds drifting by. In this kitchen, safe and warm, you're the calm within the storm. So stir it slow and softly smile, rest your heart a little while. In every meal, in every try, you're singing your own lullaby. Hush now, hear the kettle sigh, steam like clouds drifting